Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm about to do a prank on my kids, guys. I'm about to I got my fake blood and I'm about to pretend like my hand got caught in a garbage disposal. Guys, I hope this finna be a banger. I'm finna go in the house. I'm finna get a towel or something, and I'm finna put fake blood all over it, and I'm finna be screaming and yelling, guys. So stay tuned for this banger. And if you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. If you're returning to the channel, thank you for stopping by again. But y'all, let's make this a banger. I'm finna go inside, put fake blood all over a shirt, put it all over my hand, put it on the floors, and I'm finna scream so loud, guys. So tune in and watch the video to the end and let me know how I did. I'm finna prank the fuck out of them. Bye. I'm gonna get the shirt. The shirt with the blood on it. Can you drop it? You see it right there? I do not see it. It's not right there. Right now I see it.
Put it all over my hands, y'all. Hold on.
Blood.
Up and this is kind of awkward, but it sucks that Joel can interact with his son.
She thought I was for real too. Guys, I got him. I got him, guys.
You out of nowhere.
Look, I put the fake blood inside the sink.
What is that?
I love y'all. I had it all over the shirt. I had it all over my hands. I got him, Jay. I did good.
Yes.
Vanna, I did good.
I'm paying.
Now she's trying to do it. Move, y'all. I got him. Woo! I got him, y'all. I got him. Whew, that was kind of hard.
Mom, where the blunt at?
So, I got Savannah. Savannah was scared. You was scared.
She was gonna cry.
You was finna cry. I got my son CJ, y'all. Woo! I had to push tears out and all, y'all. That was in my eyes. In my eyes, y'all. That was a banger. Period. I think I did good. I got him. Y'all, I'm getting good at this shit. I'm getting good at it. Look at this. It's all in the sink. It's all in the sink. I smeared it in the sink. I had it all over my shirt. Y'all, I got him. I got him. The prank work. Comment down below how y'all think I did. My son was scared. My baby was scared. My husband was on the phone calling 911. He was scared. Y'all, I think I did it. I did a banger. Y'all, comment down below how y'all think I did. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe to the channel. Like this video, comment, leave a thumbs up. Guys, and don't forget to return back to the channel. I'm getting good. I'm starting not to get camera shy. I'm thinking of new content to put out to you guys. So until next time, gang, see y'all in the next video.